You know, when it comes to reducing belly fat, there's this misconception that you need to hit the gym hard or invest in fancy equipment. But the truth is, you can achieve remarkable results right in the comfort of your own home. It's all about consistency and choosing the right exercises. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the classic plank. It's simple, yet incredibly effective. You get into that push-up position, but instead of lowering yourself, you hold it. Your core engages, your back straightens, and you can feel those muscles working. Start with 30 seconds and gradually increase your time. It's not just about the belly, it strengthens your entire core, which is essential for stability and balance. Then there are crunches. I know, they've been around forever, but there's a reason for that. When done correctly, they target the abdominal muscles directly. Lie on your back, knees bent, and lift your shoulders off the ground. It's all about the quality of the movement, not the quantity. Focus on squeezing those abs at the top of the movement. You can mix it up with bicycle crunches to engage your obliques. Let's not forget about the power of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. You don't need a treadmill or a fancy gym membership. You can do burpees, jumping jacks, or mountain climbers right in your living room. These exercises get your heart rate up, burn calories, and help shed that stubborn belly fat. Just a few rounds of 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off, and you'll feel the burn. And speaking of burning, have you tried incorporating some leg raises? They're fantastic for targeting the lower abs. Lie flat on your back, legs straight, and lift them up to a 90-degree angle. Lower them slowly without touching the ground. It's a killer move that really isolates those muscles. Don't overlook the importance of a good diet either. You can do all the exercises in the world, but if you're not fueling your body right, you won't see the results you want. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. Hydration is key too. Water helps with digestion and can even curb cravings. Lastly, remember that rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. Your body needs time to repair and grow stronger, so listen to it. Incorporate rest days into your routine, and don't be afraid to mix things up. Variety keeps it interesting and challenges your body in new ways. So, there you have it, a simple yet effective approach to tackling belly fat right at home. It's about commitment, patience, and a willingness to push yourself. You've got this.